In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove watermark in Viggle AI. The easiest and most reliable way to remove a watermark in Viggle AI is by upgrading to a plan that includes watermark-free exports, if that option is available on your account. This method is important because it uses Viggle AI's built-in features, which helps ensure you get a clean final video without needing any extra tools or complicated editing. To get started, open the Viggle AI app or go to the Viggle AI website in your browser. Once you're there, sign into your account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you've used more than one before, since your subscription and export options will be tied to that specific profile. After signing in, look for your profile or settings area. Depending on whether you're using the mobile app or the desktop site, this section may appear in a different location, but it's usually easy to find through your account icon or a menu in the corner of the screen. This is where Viggle AI typically stores account preferences, billing details, and plan information. Next, tap on Subscription or Upgrade. This will take you to the section where you can review the plans currently available. Take a moment to read the plan details carefully. What you're looking for is a premium option that specifically includes watermark-free exports. Not every paid plan always includes the same features, so it's a good idea to confirm that watermark removal is clearly listed before moving forward. Once you find the right premium plan, go ahead and complete the purchase. Follow the on-screen checkout steps and wait for the subscription to activate. In most cases, this happens right away, but if it doesn't, give it a minute and refresh the page or reopen the app to make sure your new plan is fully applied. After your upgrade is active, generate your video again or re-export the one you already created. This step matters because older exports may still include the watermark even after you upgrade. By creating a fresh export under your new plan, you should be able to download the video without the watermark. If you still see a watermark after upgrading, double check that your subscription is active and that the export was created after the upgrade took effect. You may also want to review the plan details one more time to confirm that watermark-free downloading is included. And that's it. That's how to remove the watermark in Viggle AI by upgrading your plan and exporting your video again.